PowerShell is the coolest thing since sliced Java code. I don't know. I just made that up. It does everything the command line does and a whole lot more. It is indeed a command line similar to the command prompt, and it has real-time command line tool in it. So, for example, if I want to look at the directory that of whatever I'm in right now, C Windows, I can just type the directory command, which in this case is get child item. And there it is. You might notice if you're a Linux person that this directory looks a little bit like Linux does, but there's a reason for that as well. I won't get into that now. It also does true remoting. Now in the command line I can certainly send a command to another device that's on my network, but with PowerShell I can do a true remote session where I make a connection and keep that connection, not just with one machine but with 100 machines all at the same time if I want. It also has something called DSC, or desired state configuration, where I can set up to monitor a server, and then that server will heal itself. If somebody changes the setup, the configuration of that machine, it will just change it back again, so people can't mess with it by accident. It has a full-blown scripting language, which we will look at in just a little bit when we get to PowerShell ISE. And it is extensible. That is to say, the commands, and let's take a look at the commands. Get command. Here are all the commands that you can see right now. And you notice they have kind of an interesting setup, interesting way that they look. But if I add software to this computer, it can add new commands in modules so that it can grow and expand along with my computer. These commands, the way you're seeing them, you notice that they're interesting. These are called Commandlets, and you can see that name right here, which was purposely named something unique so that when you look them up on a search engine, it would find them easier. And you'll notice that they are in two parts. There is a verb part and a noun part. So in this case, set date. When I want to set the date of something, I can get, set, repair, resolve, resume, save, and so on. So lots of different options in here, and lots and lots and lots of commands. Let's find out how many commands there are there. Get command, measure object. So 1,609 commands right there that I just looked up. So that's PowerShell. It's pretty cool.